Hey everybody, my name's John with BuyTruckWheels.com, one of the salespeople here. I just wanted to take a few minutes today to show you one of our kits. It's our 22.5 10 lug on 225mm pattern, and I'll show it to you right here. This is a 22.5 forged aluminum upgrade for your 10 on 225mm hubs. You might think about the truck, the F450, the 550, 10 lug, and the Ram 45 and 5500. It's also an upgrade for the F600 series, and possibly even your F53 19.5 10 lug motorhomes. This kit here, you'll see only two wheels here today, but it comes with 4 aluminum wheels, 4 outer, and then 2 steel inners. The reason why we do steel inners is because due to stud length on those trucks, aluminum wheels are actually thicker than steel, and so to make sure you have enough stud length to properly run the wheels in the rear, we put a steel on the inside. Let's see if I can turn this around for you or show you the other side. So this would be the deep side of the wheel. Wheels are installed with valve stems. Here are the center caps that come with this kit. These are the Northstar pop-on center caps. You'll see the front one here actually comes with a pop-out center and a tool. This is for so you can easily access your hubs if you need to. And then you'll also get new lug nuts with this kit. The standard tire size, or the recommended tire size, is a 255 70R 22.5 tire. We've got a Toyo N647 here, for example. There's a few different types of tread patterns you can get in this particular tire size that you'll see on our website if you were to search it. But this is one of the popular styles and brands. As you'll see here, super shiny wheels. It's a good way to upgrade those 19.5s to a 22.5 on your truck without having to do spacers or adapters, because these are a direct bolt-on, again, to the 10 on 225mm bolt pattern. If these wheels interest you, if you have any more questions, feel free to look on our website or shoot us a call. Again, BuyTruckWheels.com. Thanks.